This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps Lifecycle. DevOps Lifecycle is a series of stages that help software development and IT operation teams work together to create, test and release the software more quickly and reliably. The step 1 is plan. This is where it all starts. Teams comes together to brainstorm and decide what features or updates they want to add to the software. They create a roadmap and set goals for what needs to be accomplished. Second step is coding. In this stage, developers write the code for the new features or updates. The developers use programming languages to create the functionality that was planned in the plan stage. The third step is building. Once the code is written, it needs to be combined and compiled into a format that can be executed by the computer. This stage involves integrating different pieces of the code and ensuring they work together. Fourth step is testing. Testing is crucial to ensure the software works correctly and it is free of bugs. Automated tests are run to quickly find and fix any issues. This helps maintain the quality of the software. Fifth step is releasing. After the software passes all the tests, it is ready to be released. This stage involves deploying the software to the production environment where it can be accessed by users. Sixth step is deploying. Deployment involves actually putting the new code into the live environment. We can use automation tools to help make this process smooth and fast, and it reduces downtime and errors. The seventh step is operating. Once deployed, the software is up and running. During this stage, the operation team monitors the system to ensure everything is working as expected and to manage any issues that arise. Eighth step is monitoring. Continuous monitoring is essential to catch any problem early. In this stage, tools are used to keep eye on the software performance and user experience, ensuring any issues are promptly addressed. Feedback. Finally, feedback from users and performance data are gathered to understand how well the software is performing and what improvements can be made. This feedback is then used in the next planning stage. Then the cycle starts over again. By following this life cycle, DevOps teams can deliver the software faster and deliver more reliable and better quality. The key to DevOps is collaboration and continuous improvement, making sure that development and operation team work together seamlessly throughout the entire process. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.